the meeting, my lord, is on private land. It's scheduled on the 28th of December. Application intimation was served, my lord, on the 20th of December. My lord will find that at page 28, made to the SDO.
28,
Yes, my lord.
2012.
2012, 2025.
Yes.
The expected turnout is, my lord, around 5,000.
Yes.
My lord, we have also, my lord, enclosed to the petition, my lord, the list of volunteers, the gate map,
Yes.
and my lord, the no objection received from the lessee, who is, my lord, in possession of this land, my lord, which is a hut. So we have annexed that also, my lord. So the state, my lord, in terms of their usual practice, my lord, till now they have not responded. And my lord, it is also stated that the practices or the modus operandi is, my lord, that are in either in the wee hours, my lord, they will, my lord, visit us with a rejection on the 27th night, or, my lord, they will, my lord, post some more queries to frustrate, my lord, this particular meeting.
Yes.
In fact, my lord, I will be referring to an order passed by your lordship yesterday, that is on 23/12/2025, wherein my lord was pleased, my lord, to direct the SDO to pass an order and communicate the same by 10 p.m., my lord.
Yes.
Despite the, my lord, observations made by the honorable court, my lord, it has been rejected on extraneous consideration, my lord, challenging with, my lord, the matter is pending today at 12, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, I was relying on, my lord, the judgment of, my lord, this is the judgment, my lord, of yesterday, my lord, which I am relying upon. And এটা তো ডিভিশন বেঞ্চেরটা দাও অনিন্দ গোপাল মিত্র, হ্যাঁ। But I was referring to, my lord, a division bench decision reported in 1993, 1 Calcutta Law Times, page 464. The relevant paragraph is, my lord, paragraph 4. That says, my lord, that in appropriate cases, the honorable court, in exercise of powers under Article 226, can pass mandatory orders directing performance of a duty, my lord. This is again relying on, my lord, Comptroller and Auditor General of India versus K.S. Jagannath. And that apart, my lord, in similar matters also, my lord has passed similar orders granting permission.
Yes.
But in one such similar matter, my lord was pleased to, my lord, grant permission, my lord. I am relying on these, my lord, and but I am beseeching, my lord, to pass similar orders, my lord.
Yes.
Because the essentially, my lord, it is the duty of the SDO. There is another prayer also, my lord, to ensure that it's not obstructed in any manner whatsoever. Direction upon the
Yes.
respondent authorities, my lord.
My lord, the second part which he has just annexed to his main argument, your lordship has dealt with it in yesterday's order, which my learned friend has already handed over. My lord, your lordship has my lord, considered this, whether prayer B is to be considered or C is to be considered, or both. So, my lord, I presume that he will only place prayer B, which is for the microphone permission, my lord. So, due to paucity of time, I could not get a signed copy, but I have obtained it digitally, my lord. So, my lord, this is the written instruction of the SDO, my lord, who says that he has received the email, my lord, on a weekend, my lord. So, my lord, it could not be considered up to Monday. Hard copy of the application has only been received on 22nd. He has already, my lord, sent it to the BDO, whose report he has obtained, and also to the police, who will hold a field inquiry. He has prayed time till 26th of December to pass necessary orders apropos to his application. May your lordship, my lord, yesterday in another matter has passed an order to given to upon the SDO to pass an order within 26th of December, my lord. The same order may be passed, my lord, upon the SDO to consider his application by 26th of December.
Yes.
Now, my lord, as far as, my lord, the CLT judgment is concerned, my lord, that is, my lord, probably of no avail to the petitioner, because the mandatory duty that he beseeches your lordship to direct us, but his prayer is limited to a microphone permission only. Though, my lord, he cannot go beyond his prayer today by citing that CLT judgment, my lord. That is not applicable in his case at all. Therefore, my lord, your lordship will kindly direct the SDO to pass necessary orders by 26th of December.
His prayer with regard to the use of microphones, speakers, and holding meeting in the private land. Correct, in the private.
Yes.
So let this be allowed, and the authority will take care of the law and order problem. It's
He has not come with for a permission for the rally before your lordship. He has come for challenging
not
my
really,
inaction.
not really. Kindly come to the prayer B. Grant permission to the petitioner and his organization to use nature mandamus commanding the respondent to forthwith grant permission.
Grant permission.
Correct. Grant permission for speakers and the holding this. So I will allow the petitioner to grant permission subject to take the precautions
But
of the land
if your-
situation of the
But if your lordship,
area in question.
but if your lordship, my lord, direct them grant microphone permission in a 226 jurisdiction, my lord,
Hmm.
that will be robbing the SDO of his powers, my lord, to pass an order.
Then the
Before him passing an order, my lord, if your lordship passes the order, my lord, then his exercise, his
Correct.
subjective satisfaction, my lord, becomes immaterial, my lord.
correct, but what can be done if the court is passing an order, consider, and the authorities yesterday what has been done? It has been done
My
the
lord,
same
that
thing.
matter is not, my lord,
No,
my lord,
not done. That's
that
why.
matter,
That's
my lord,
why.
the factual aspects,
That's why the
whether the
authorities
rejection
are.
order has been placed before your lordship or not, my lord. Here it is, there is no rejection at all, my lord. So, my lord,
Can-
that matter, kindly do not, my lord, judge this matter, my lord, on the foundational facts of another matter, my lord. My lord, why it has been rejected, well, rejection
That's
order
why
has to be placed.
when it is matter is on 28. And the
This meeting is on 28.
28.
28. Today we are on 24 because there is
Well,
no court.
one more working day, my lord, my lord,
There is no court also. If you reject, what will happen? There is
But
no court. Vacation is on.
they'll seek
Then-
leave, my lord. But it's not that, my lord, the High Court is closed for eternity, my lord.
Correct.
It is only that scheduled vacation benches are
The
there and they
vacation
can
means
always
it's on
approach.
29.
But your lordship will kindly not presume that the SDO will reject the matter.
The act of the authorities from FSI, this court has made an opinion, the authority intending to reject the applications in spite of the direction passed by the
Then-
court. What
then-
has happened?
Then, my lord, with the deepest of respect, my lord, your lordship will have to hold that because there is a rejection in another matter,
Correct.
your lordship is
Yes, I will record that. I will
That-
record that also.
that your lordship presumes that the SDO will reject in this
Yes,
case also.
I will, because
And that is
see,
why, my lord, the SDO should not be given.
or I will fix the matter at 3:30 p.m. You take the report whether you receive the report from the BDO or not.
BDO,
I am fixing the
he has
matter.
said he has received from the BDO.
Then I am
but the-
fixing, I am fixing the matter at
But
3
the
p.m.
field inquiry by the Malad field inquiry by the
Correct,
police
I
is
will fix the
awaited.
matter at 3:30 p.m. You come with the report of the SDO whether he is going to allow or not. Then I will pass appropriate order. If you don't want that the court can pass a mandatory order, then I will fix the matter at 3:30. You tell, yes, this is the against the report, then I will direct the
Wait,
petitioner,
Malad.
whatever it may be.
Then Malad kindly passes an interim order. Malad for directing the SDO to pass the order today by 3 p.m. rejecting my prayer
No,
for
I will,
26th December.
what, if you are telling that the SDO will pass an order.
By 26th of December, Malad, the field inquiry is not over.
That's right. And
Malad, a congregation of 5,000 people, they come up on a Saturday, 20th, they send a mail at 2:58.
it is a state duty to take all
We
the
are doing it, Malad. Malad, we are doing it. But Malad, your lordship is asking me to pass the order within 3 p.m. rejecting my prayer to give me time till 26th of December. Your lordship will pass that order, Malad, kindly.
If you say that you will bring the order at 3:30, either rejection or.
But I don't have the,
you
Malad,
come
the
at
instruction I have already placed with your lordship, Malad. Malad,
Yeah.
kindly, Malad, if I may put it in a question form, Malad, can I go beyond my instructions also, Malad?
Correct. That's why the court can go.
No, your lordship is not bound by anyone's instructions, Malad.
Court
Your
can-
lordship will apply your lordship discretion. Your lordship is in a discretionary jurisdiction. Malad, if your lordship, Malad, desires that I place the order by 3 p.m., Malad, I'll have to place that order before that there's a direction by the court. You give me the order by 3 p.m. because he has asked for time till 26th of December.
25th, there is no problem giving the time even on 27th. But there is no court till 20.
Malad, if your lordship, Malad, judges this matter by a rejection of another matter, lordship will kindly hold that because I cannot better my argument with regard
Yes,
to
I
that.
will pass an interim order holding that also. No
But
problem.
that interim order will amount to a final order because Malad,
What can be done?
because
What
it's,
can be
because
done?
the matter will become infructuous thereafter, Malad. But that interim order will amount to a final order. So, Malad, if your lordship, Malad, I'll, Malad, as an officer of the court, I'll beseech your lordship, Malad, not to judge this case on the basis of a rejection of another case because the ground realities of each case are absolutely different. The situation in each area is completely different. And your lordship will also remember in one of the matters, your lordship held that don't do this part of the meeting, do other part of the meeting.
Correct.
So therefore, my lord, it is, every case is not the same, every
Correct.
fact
That's
is not
what
the
I'm
same.
That's why I'm telling you could have been come the report.
I could not. The hard copy has been given on 22nd of December. But kindly put this question to the petitioner that you are holding a rally for 5,000 people or sometimes 10,000 people, 15,000 people.
20
with-
December, not 20,
That is a Saturday, my lord.
20 December.
That is a Saturday by mail. But it's a government office. No one is sitting with the computer and the mail to check all the
Maybe
applications.
24.
Kindly see the SDO says that I have received the hard copy on 22nd. Immediately I have forwarded to all the authorities.
Correct.
And also I have got a report from the BDO. The police in field inquiry report is awaited. Tomorrow is a holiday. He has asked time till 26th of December. Your lordships are being apprehensive that since there is a rejection in another matter, the SDO of another SDO will also reject the same.
Correct.
Then Malad will kindly pass that order. Malad, I cannot better my argument with regard to that.
Petitioner has filed the present writ application praying for a direction upon the respondent number 2 to grant permission to the petitioner and his organization to use microphones and speakers during holding the meeting, which is scheduled to be held on 28 December 2025 from 1000 hours to 1700 hours at Bakra Hachali Madan, situated at JL number 125, Dag number 637/788 under the Shankar Shankrel Police Station. Petitioner submit that the petitioner has applied for grant of permission on 20th of December 2025, along with the no objection from the person who no objection of the person who, in whose name the land is recorded,
Lessee of the land.
lessee of the property in question. Full stop. The petitioner also given all the information along with the application. Full stop. In spite of the receipt of the said application, receipt of the application, comma, the sub-divisional officer has not granted permission. He further submit that today is the last working day of the court and the meeting is going to be held on 28th of December 2025, and in the meantime there will be a no court if the request of the petitioner is rejected by the petitioner by the authority. Accordingly, he prays for an order directing the respondent number 2 to grant permission to hold the meeting and use the microphones and speakers. Learned counsel appearing for the state raised objection and submits that though the petitioner has submitted the application on 20th December 2025 by email, but 20th December 2025 was Saturday. He has submitted the unsigned copy of the report received from the office of the sub-divisional officer, wherein it reveals that, and on the basis of the said report, he submits that on receipt of the application, immediately the sub-divisional officer has called for the report from the concerned BDO as well as the officer in charge of the concerned police officer in charge
Officer in charge, my lord,
of the Sankarkali police station. He is further submit that as per the said report, the sub-divisional officer has received the report from the block development officer, but he is awaiting the report from the police authority. And once he will receive the report from the police authority, he will pass appropriate order by 26th of December 2025. And petitioner submit that as the matter is pending before the authority, and as such, no order can be passed at this moment. Full stop. At the learned court, full stop. The petitioner, in support of his submission, has relied upon the judgment in the case of State of West Bengal and others versus Dr. Anindya Gopal Mitro and others, reported in 1993 SEC Online Calcutta 126, and submits that in the division bench of this court has held has directed the authority to held that the authority how to be allowed permission as sought for by the petitioner by imposing all such reasonable restrictions and regulatory measures as the authorities think fit, so that no breach of peace take places. Petitioner has further relied upon the unreported judgment passed by this court in the case of Rajesh Jana versus the State of West Bengal and others, dated 23rd of December 2025, wherein this court has allowed the has directed.
That is Debashish Samanto, my lord, the other one.
No, you have given the Rajesh Jan.
No, Debashish also have given, my lord, Rajesh to cite, my lord, the vindictiveness of the authorities, my lord.
Devasis क्या बोला? Unreported judgment in the case of Devasis Samanta versus State of West Bengal in WPA 28348 of 2025, dated 10/12/2025, wherein this court allowed the petitioner to conduct the meeting fully as requested by the petitioner to the authorities. Fully heard the learned counsel for the respective parties. This court finds that the petitioner has applied for grant of permission for using microphones and speaker during the meeting, which is to be scheduled to be held on 28th of December 2025 from 10:00 hours to 17:00 hours as at the address mentioned above, at the place mentioned above. Full stop. The report of the subdivisional officer reveals that on receipt of the request, the subdivisional officer has received the report from the officer, but he is awaiting the report from the police authority, due to which the subdivisional officer has not granted permission. Learned counsel for the state pressing for prayed for a direction upon the respondent authority to dispose of the application of the petitioner, so that the authority can dispose of the said application on or before 26th of December 2025. This court find that the similar submission was made by the state authority on the earlier occasion in the earlier other writ application, and this court has directed the subdivisional officer to consider the petition and dispose of the application filed by the petitioner for grant of permission. But at the 19th hour, the authority has disposed of rejected the request of the petitioner. In this case, this court find that this is the last date of the last working day of this court before winter vacation, and the circuit and the vacation bench will be held on 29th of January 2020, 29th of December 2025, and the petitioner intend to hold the meeting on 28th of December 2025. If the respondent will reject, if the respondent number 2 will reject the request of the petitioner, the petitioner will not any forum to challenge the said order. Accordingly, this court, when taking into special circumstances, this court allowed the respondent number 2 to grant permission to the petitioner and his organization to use the microphone and speakers during the meeting scheduled to be held on 28th of December 2025 when at 10:00 hours to 17:00 hours at the place mentioned above. The authority is also directed, the petitions are directed to by holding the meeting to keep to see that the law and order and the peace of the said area shall not be disturbed. The authority is also directed to make necessary arrangement for proper law and order, maintenance of the law and order. The subdivisional officer is also directed to keep vigil and keep vigil of the situation at the time of holding the meeting by the petitioner on 28th of December 2025 from 10:00 hours to 17:00 hours at the place mentioned above. The petition, as the petition is disposed of in without calling the affidavit, the allegation made by the petition deemed to have been denied.
But since it is not a police inaction, I was praying for a stay of the order till 27th of December.
I am countering it by saying that it's a public law remedy that I am seeking, and order 2 rule 3 will be rendered nugatory.
Petitioner has prayed for
Joinder of causes of action.
Prayed for the state has prayed for stay of the impugn order on the ground that this court is not having the determination of the police or police inaction and non-action. Full stop. This court find that the main prayer of the petitioner for grant of permission by the respondent number 2 is the subdivisional officer, and this court has passed an order directing the subdivisional officer to grant permission, and this court has not, even though the police authority, this court has passed any order against the police authority, the common cause of action can be
Grateful,
dealt by
my lord.
this court.
Extremely grateful, my lord. Order
Cause of
223.
action can be dealt by this court.
Grateful.